Static friction. The friction which acts between the surfaces of two objects when they are kept at rest about each other. Definition: the force of friction that keeps a body stationary against the applied force is called static friction. Limiting friction. The maximum force of friction present when a body just tends to slide over a surface is called limiting friction. Examples of static friction: a t-shirt hanging on a hanger, dust sticking on the doormat on the carpet, tying a knot into a rope, heap of books resting on a coffee table. Kinetic or dynamic or sliding friction. The friction which is generated between the surfaces of any two objects when they are in a sliding motion against each other. Definition: the friction which is generated between the surfaces of any two objects when they are in a sliding motion against each other is called kinetic friction. Examples of kinetic friction: pushing an object along any surface, hitting a brake in a vehicle, an object sliding on an inclined plane, opening of a door or window. Rolling friction. Rolling friction is a type of kinetic friction. It can be determined as the friction force which prevents the motion of any spherical object like a wheel or a ball, etc. It is also the weakest type of friction among all the other types of frictional forces. Definition: the force of friction that develop between a rolling body and the surface due to the deformations produced in them at the point of contact is called rolling friction. Examples of rolling friction: moving wheels of a vehicle, motion in a soccer ball, movement in a trolley bag. Relationship between three types of frictions. Static friction is less than kinetic friction is less than rolling friction. Thanks for watching Pathfinder 6. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.